Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Guider Pro. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our top tips for making money online. Today, we're diving into a sizzling hot topic: how to start a successful YouTube channel and make some serious cash. Whether you're a budding vlogger or an aspiring content creator, this guide will have you raking in the views and dollars in no time. So, grab your popcorn and let's get this show on the road. All right, let's kick things off with the basics. How do you create a YouTube channel? It's easier than finding a cat video on the internet, trust me. First, you'll need a Google account. If you don't have one, go make one. I'll wait. Are you done? Great. Now, head over to YouTube, click on your profile picture, and hit Create a Channel. Choose a name that's catchy, memorable, and reflects your content. No pressure, but this is your brand's first impression, so make it count. Next, it's time to customize. Add a profile picture and a banner that screams, "I'm awesome. Watch my videos." You can use free tools like Canva to create stunning graphics. Don't forget to write a killer channel description. Tell people who you are, what you do, and why they should subscribe, and maybe throw in a joke or two. Now, let's talk content, the lifeblood of your channel. Here are some spicy content ideas and tips to grow your audience faster than a cat video goes viral. Please remember to press that subscribe button for more videos like this. Here we go. First up, tutorials and how-tos. People love learning new things, and if you can teach them something in a fun and engaging way, you're golden. Whether it's cooking, tech hacks, or DIY projects, find your niche and run with it. Next, reviews and unboxings. Everyone loves seeing new gadgets and products in action. Give your honest opinions, and don't be afraid to show your excitement or disappointment. Authenticity is key. Then we have vlogs and lifestyle content. Share your life, your adventures, and your unique perspective. People connect with personalities, so let your true self shine. Remember, you're not just building a channel, you're building a community. All right, some tips for growing your audience. Consistency is king. Post regularly, whether it's once a week or twice a month. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and asking for feedback. And don't forget to promote your videos on social media. The more places people can find you, the better. Now let's talk money, the part you've all been waiting for. How do you actually make money on YouTube? Here are some monetization strategies to get those dollars rolling in. First up, ad revenue. Once you hit 0,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This allows ads to be placed on your videos. The more views you get, the more ad revenue you earn. Pro tip, make longer videos, but keep them interesting to increase watch time and ad placements. Next, affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and include affiliate links in your video descriptions. When viewers make a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's like getting paid to share your favorite stuff. Win-win. I also have a video on affiliate marketing that you can watch on my channel. Then there's sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands may reach out to sponsor your videos. You can also pitch to companies you're passionate about. Just make sure the products or services align with your audience's interests. Finally, merch. Create and sell your own branded merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or stickers. Platforms like Teespring and Merch by Amazon make it easy to design and sell without holding any inventory. Plus, it's a great way to build your brand and connect with your fans. And there you have it. By following these steps and strategies, you'll be well on your way to starting a successful YouTube channel and making money while having a blast. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, here at Money Guider Pro, we're all about turning your passions into profits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.